So you finally did it. You brought home a new best friend. And honestly, within about 24 hours, the panic probably started to set in. Why is the dog staring at the rug like it's a bathroom? Why is the cat treating your favorite curtains like a climbing wall? And why did you just drop $300 on a pet fountain they won't even look at? Look, I've been there. And today, I want to cut through all the marketing noise and talk about what you actually need. We're covering the 10 absolute essentials for a happy, healthy pet plus the traps the pet store is hoping you'll fall for. Stick around, because number 10 is the one thing most owners forget until it's way too late. Number 1. The safe haven. Whether it's a crate for a dog or a carrier for a cat, this isn't just a box. Think of it as their bedroom. For dogs especially, crate training is your secret weapon for potty training, because it taps into their natural instinct not to soil where they sleep. Here's the thing most people get wrong: size. You want it just big enough for them to stand up and turn around. If it's too big, they'll use one corner as a bathroom and the other as a bedroom. Not what we're going for. Number 2, the ID double up. Every year, millions of pets get lost. And I don't want yours to be a statistic. You need 2 things: a physical ID tag with your current phone number and a microchip. But here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They get the chip implanted, then never actually register it online. That chip is useless without registration. Do it the day you get your pet. Put it on your calendar. This is non-negotiable. Number 3, the enzymatic secret. If you have carpet, this one's for you. Regular soap does not work on pet accidents. And here's why. Pets have a sense of smell that's about 10,000 times stronger than ours. If they can smell even a trace of urine, they'll go back to that exact same spot. You need an enzymatic cleaner. It doesn't just mask the smell, it actually breaks down the bacteria that causes the odor. This is hands down the biggest game changer for keeping your home fresh. Number 4, the science-backed diet. In 2026, there's a lot of noise around pet food. Raw diets, grain-free, boutique brands, it's honestly overwhelming. Here's the truth. Stick to brands that meet Association of American Feed Control official standards and employ full-time veterinary nutritionists. Your pet's health starts in the gut, and you don't want to gamble with that based on trendy marketing. Number 5, dental health. This is the most ignored essential, and it shouldn't be. Did you know that by age 3, 80% of dogs and cats already show signs of dental disease? And this isn't just about bad breath. Untreated dental issues can lead to heart and kidney problems. Get a pet-specific toothbrush and toothpaste. Never, ever use human toothpaste, it's toxic to them. If you can't brush daily, dental chews are your next best option. Your pet's heart will thank you. Number 6, passive enrichment. A tired pet is a good pet, right? But here's what most people miss. Physical exercise isn't enough. You need toys that make them think. For dogs, a classic Kong or a snuffle mat works wonders. For cats, try a puzzle feeder. If they have to work for their food, they're not thinking about destroying your baseboards. Number 7, interactive play. This one's about bonding. For cats, a wand toy is essential because it mimics the hunt, which is what they're wired for. For dogs, grab a sturdy tug rope or a long-range ball launcher. 15 minutes of interactive play with you is worth way more than an hour of them just sitting alone in the yard. This is how you build that connection. Number 8, the grooming kit. Even short-haired breeds shed. Trust me, a high-quality de-shedding tool will save your furniture, your vacuum, and your sanity. But here's the bonus. Regular grooming is also the best way to check for lumps, bumps, ticks, anything unusual. It's preventative care disguised as maintenance. Number 9, a pet first aid kit. You hope you never need it, but you'll be so glad you have it. Stock it with gauze, antiseptic wipes, a digital thermometer, and this is crucial, the phone number for your 24-hour emergency vet taped right to the box. In a crisis, you don't want to be frantically Googling where to go. You want to act fast. Number 10, pet insurance. This is the one most people skip, and it's honestly the biggest mistake. Modern veterinary care is incredible, but it comes with a price tag. One emergency surgery can easily cost $5,000 or more. Getting insurance while your pet is young and healthy before any pre-existing conditions show up is the smartest financial move you can make as a pet parent. Future you will thank present you. Now, before you head to the store, make sure you avoid these 3 things. 1. Retractable leashes. They give you zero control and can actually be dangerous, especially in busy areas. 2. Plastic food bowls. They harbor bacteria and can cause feline acne in cats. Stick with stainless steel or ceramic. 3. Designer outfits. Look, if your pet looks miserable and can't move properly, they don't need it. Save your money. Bringing a pet home is a journey. And when you focus on these 10 essentials, you'll spend way less time stressing and a whole lot more time enjoying those cuddles. If this guide helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more pet parenting secrets that actually work. And I'm curious, what was the one item you couldn't live without during your first week with your pet? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching. And hey, give your pet a treat for us.